The official start of the hurricane season kicks off in about 2 weeks from now.
So that means now is the time to make preparations so that you and your family could survive a storm's impact.
Yeah, Frank is joining us now to tell us about the hurricane hunters being in Galveston.
You know, that is fascinating. They have the planes that go in the storms, around the storms. They're using drones. They've got all kinds of technology. So, not to be outdone, Britta Merwin went to find out on her own. She's been down to see exactly what kind of technology they are using as the hurricane season gets started. She's in Galveston live right now. I see a plane. I know Britta must be nearby. Hi, Britta.
I am nearby. I'm actually inside the Hurricane Hunter aircraft. Now, forecasting has improved by almost 40% since Hurricane Katrina, and a lot of that is attributed to this aircraft right here. And we just had an awesome time out here, but it all comes down to you and how you get yourself prepared.
My mother still thinks I'm absolutely insane.
Lieutenant Commander Jason Mansour has been commander of the G4 Hurricane Hunter since 2012.
The NOAA G4, in my terms, is like a cheetah, so we are lean and sleek. We operate at 45,000 feet, and we go about 7 miles a minute.
The G4 studies hurricanes not by going through them, but going around them, sometimes above. Mansour describes the Air Force Hurricane Hunter as a rhinoceros.
The Air Force Reserve C-130, their job is to go right through the hurricane eye wall at or below 10,000 feet.
And for the last few years, NOAA has been using drones or unmanned aircraft systems to help forecast hurricanes. They fly as low as 1,000 feet.
It free falls from the aircraft. As it releases from the air, it wakes up, it powers on an electric motor, spreads its wings, and it flies.
The message of today's hurricane preparedness tour, even with all this technology, it comes down to you and how you get ready.
Don't let the hurricanes push you around. We're going to be hurricane strong, and we're going to take steps to get ready.
Dr. Rick Knapp, the director of the National Hurricane Center, says don't be intimidated by hurricane season.
If you're new to the Houston area and you're just not sure where to start, I would start with the evacuation question.
Find out today if you live in a hurricane evacuation zone. Then figure out where you would go and how you would get there if you were told to evacuate. And now is the time to get prepared. Remember to look into flood insurance. It takes up to 30 days before you actually are covered. So right now you're in that time zone. Make sure that you call and check all your insurances. Reporting live in Galveston, I'm meteorologist Britta Merwin, KPRC Channel 2 News.